everybody, my name is Gwen. I'm 8 years old. This is my big rectangle box with toys in. That is my present. I really love it. That is Hello Kitty vending machine. You can see it on here. It was so many pink colors. And look at this. It's quite big and 3 little buttons. And that is the present my grandpa gave it for me because my points is up high, 10 and 9. Okay, let's unboxing it and I will show you how to use and play it. Now, here. First time, it have a plastic, but I has pulled out. Okay, let's make this. Here we are. It's pulled out. Here we go. Now I has pulled it out. I put the box in one side, and let's opening this. This one plastic out. Ooh, this look fun. Look at all of the details. Really look like this. Can you see it? Really fun. I want to opening some more. Let's pull it out. See. Oh my gosh. When you want to use it but you didn't know it, it has an introduction on here. I will read it for you. The decorative card is inserted into 2 fixed points above the vending machine. Behavior bottle index. The behavior rag bottle is loaded into the cabinets from above, and it can hold 6 bottles. So the introduction says the 6th bottle here will go on each of this. Money entrance here. Put money into the hole. Ooh, this is the hole. So we need to put the money in it. Let's read some more. Choose your favorite drink and press the button. 3 options. The bottle will automatically fall into the box below. Ooh, this is the box below, and you can see it just like a big hole. Now we are reading the introduction finished. Let's opening some more. Here, big machine. Pull out 6 bottles. 2 of these are Coca, and 2 of these are orange juice because you can see it orange and have little kitties on here. So cute. And some more. Here's some milk. That's fun milk from a cow. Okay, 2 more. Pull out this one to decorate on here. You can see 2 of lines on here. So we pull this one out and we put it at the top. Nearly finished. Good. This is quite hard. Oh, here we are. Oh, now I can pull this. Put it. Here we go. Put it on here. Ta-da! Very cute little vending machines. Just like you put money in here, you press some of this. But you need to put all the bottles into here. So here is where we put the bottles in. One more, monies. We need monies to buy bullets. Oh, I think one coins is $10. For our oh, one has flyouts. Here we go. This one has tray too. Good. Now that is out of this big container. Move our eggs down there to make the table bigger. So I have decorated this vending machine. Okay, open this one. Put our bottles in. Not to mix this one with this one. This one with this one. Not that. We need to put this in the right one. So this is milk. So this square big hole is milk. So I put 2 of the bottle in. At the middle is orange juice. Grab 2 bottles, put them in the middle. Then at the last, Coca-Cola. When finished, you close this. Okay, here's the money. I want to try milk first. I put the money in here. Ooh. Press on milk. Now can you see? Here my bottle. Milk. I like to drink milk. Let's buy some more. This time I will buy. What's wrong on here? When you push the money in here, the little coins go at here. So you can take one money out and go here. Just like a life cycle. But it was not a life cycle. There we go. Another bottle. I have 6 more. So this is a coin. Put it up. You need to press it hard as you can. So now I have 3 bottles. Let's try milk first. Tick, tick. Delicious from a cow. They not make a cow die when take the milk out. At the bottom of a cow, it has a pink one. They just put the milk out. Okay, orange juice. That tastes brilliant and delicious. Now Coca-Cola. Wow, why does this ice turn into red? Why did they have that? And all of these bottles are so really cute. Oh, so yummy. You drink finish, then you open this, put it on again. Put it on. Here is milk. Middle is orange juice, and here will be Coca-Cola. So 3 pounds you have to buy. And here you put your fingers in, but look carefully on here. It says open. It's a bit of hardly to see. Put fingers on here and you can touch it. Make it down like this. Then pull out your coins. That's fun. But all of my coins. And I can play it again. Okay. Let's take my small hands and play it. I will take this until here. Then push it. Then he will choose Coca-Cola. So his bottle will go out. Wait, this bottle is quite big for him. I think he will can drink out of them. Delicious! He said delicious, just like my puppets. Okay, close it up. Take the coins out and play it again. Have a nice day to playing vending machine with me. Goodbye.